In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save courses on Coursera with our 2025 update. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. To get started, you'll first need to open Coursera in your browser. You can do this by typing coursera.org into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If this is your first time logging in, make sure you have your email and password handy, or if you've connected your account with another service like Google or Facebook, you can use those credentials to log in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the course you want to save. Coursera offers thousands of courses, so the easiest way to locate the one you're interested in is by using the search bar, typically located at the top of the page. Type in the course name or a few keywords related to the topic you're interested in and hit enter. Browse through the search results, and when you find the course you're looking for, click on its title to open the main course page. With the course page open, you're set to save it for later. Look for the save or bookmark icon, which is usually positioned near the course title or close to the enroll button. This might look like a small book or flag icon. Once you spot it, click save. This simple action adds the course to your saved courses list, ensuring you can easily access it at a later time. You now have your course saved, but you might be wondering how to find it again. It's easy. Start by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select either Saved or My Saved Courses. Clicking there takes you to a page listing all the courses you've saved. This feature is incredibly helpful if you're browsing multiple courses and want to make a decision later, or if you're waiting for the right moment to enroll. Right here, you can either opt to start the course at your convenience or simply view the course details. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a course on Coursera, and you're all set to revisit and enroll in it whenever you're ready. This feature is a fantastic way to keep track of your interests and manage your learning journey. Thanks for joining me today, and happy learning on Coursera.